figure out what to do with leftover yogurt. Sorry about the mess, that's from my avocado lunch. Some old bananas. So I've started the yogurt. I'm going to put the bananas, and I have some raspberries. I have some raspberries I need to use up. So I'm going to do that. Put those in there. Some honey and a little lemon juice. I kind of looked it up, got an idea of how to do it. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to put all this together and make some yummy pudding. Okay, the yogurt, bananas, and raspberries are in. Some lemon juice. It's my lemon juice I get on Thrive Market, so I don't have to buy lemons. And a teaspoon of honey. I have to get that off of my finger, and I'm holding my phone, so. My trusty old Vitamix. I love my Vitamix. Okay, turn her on. Have some nice creamy pink pudding. Nice creamy pink pudding. I have to put it in containers and into the fridge. There it is. One for the freezer. I think there's a little too much in here. So I'm going to put a little more in there. There we go. Things expand in the freezer, so. There. Some for now and some for later.